Welcome to Software Sensei, your go-to podcast for the latest in tech, software development, and digital strategies. I'm your AI host, and today we'll be diving deep into an essential topic for anyone looking to enhance their online presence: search engine optimization, or SEO. In this episode, titled SEO Tips and Tricks, Mastering the Latest Trends for Maximum Impact, we'll explore how you can use SEO to boost your website's visibility, increase traffic, and stay ahead in the ever-changing digital landscape. Segment 1. What is SEO and why does it matter? SEO, or search engine optimization, is a powerful tool that helps your website rank higher in search engine results. Why is that important? Well, higher rankings mean more organic traffic, and more traffic means more potential customers visiting your site. Whether you run a blog, an e-commerce store, or a company website, SEO can significantly enhance your online visibility. SEO works by improving various elements of your website, such as content quality, site speed, and backlinks. Companies offering SEO services use these techniques to get your site to the top of search results, making it more likely for people to find you. Segment 2. Recent SEO trends. Now let's talk about what's trending in SEO. User experience, UX. Google is now heavily prioritizing websites that offer a seamless user experience. This means having a site that's easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and quick to load. Mobile optimization. With more users browsing on their phones, mobile optimization has become a non-negotiable part of SEO. Voice search. As voice assistants like Siri and Alexa grow in popularity, optimizing your site for voice search is crucial. This involves targeting question-based keywords and natural language. By staying updated with these trends, businesses can outperform competitors and capture more online traffic. Segment 3. Key strategies for SEO success. So how can you master SEO and boost your site's rankings? Let's break it down. 1. Quality content. Focus on creating high-quality, informative content that aligns with what users are searching for. 2. Keyword optimization. Use relevant keywords in your content, headings, and meta descriptions, but make sure they sound natural. 3. Backlink building. Getting reputable sites to link back to your content boosts your website's authority in the eyes of search engines. 4. Technical SEO. Ensure your site is technically sound by improving page speed, using proper schema markup, and making sure it's mobile-friendly. 5. Internal linking. This helps search engines better understand the structure of your site, making it easier to crawl and index your pages. Segment 4. The benefits of SEO. Why invest in SEO? For starters, SEO can drive more targeted traffic to your site, improving your chances of converting visitors into customers. Brand awareness. Ranking higher in search results builds your brand's credibility. User experience. SEO practices, such as faster page loads and mobile-friendly designs, improve how users interact with your site, leading to longer visits and lower bounce rates. Cost-effective. SEO offers a great return on investment. Unlike paid ads, organic traffic continues to flow in long after your optimization efforts. This makes SEO a long-term growth strategy for your business. Segment 5. Staying ahead of the SEO game. SEO is an ever-evolving field, and staying ahead of trends is crucial. Voice search. Make sure your content is optimized for voice queries by using natural, conversational language. AI and machine learning. Search engines are becoming smarter with AI, so creating in-depth, high-quality content is more important than ever. Core Web Vitals. Focus on optimizing page load speed, interactivity, and visual stability, as these will increasingly affect your rankings. SEO is a key player in your online success, offering a way to increase visibility, drive traffic, and stay competitive. By following the tips we discussed, such as focusing on quality content, staying updated with trends like voice search, and optimizing your site for mobile, you'll be well on your way to mastering SEO. Thanks for tuning in to Software Sense. Stay ahead of the digital curve by implementing these SEO tips and tricks for maximum impact. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll be covering more tech strategies to elevate your business.